In Waterford, Bloomfield, West Bloomfield, Royal Oak, White Lake, Independence Charter Township, Troy, Commerce Township, Rochester, and Rochester Hills, plumbing problems don't wait. Steve's Waterworks is ready with emergency service and same-day service, done clean and professional. No hot water, or a burst or leaking water heater. We handle repairs and water heater installation fast. Slow drains or a stubborn backup? We clear lines, hydrojet when needed, and take on tough sewer repair. If there's damage, burst pipes, flooded basements, backups, or toilet overflows, our insurance specialist works with your homeowner's insurance to help secure coverage, and we even assist in covering the deductible cost. And yes, we service sump pumps too. Visit us online